Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kids Aprons is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents who love to involve their daughters in kitchen adventures, but choosing the right one can be tricky. We've reviewed countless aprons, considering factors like durability, washability, adjustability, fun designs, and of course, the all-important spill protection, to bring you our top picks that will make cooking time safer, more enjoyable, and even more stylish for your little chefs. Number 5. Kids Chef Cooking Set. It's time to get cooking. This complete chef set has everything your little one needs to create delicious pretend meals. With a pink apron, chef hat, oven mitt, and more, it's the perfect outfit for any aspiring chef. It even includes cookie cutters and a cookbook. This set is designed for easy cleaning, just toss it in the washing machine. No more worrying about messy play. The apron's adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit as your child grows. It's comfortable and practical for hours of fun. It's more than just dress up, it teaches measuring, counting, and cooking basics while sparking creativity and imagination. It's ideal for imaginative play, parties, or any time your child wants to play chef. Watch their storytelling skills flourish. What we like? It's a 12-piece chef set, including an apron, hat, and many cooking tools. The durable and washable material is perfect for messy kitchen fun. If your little one loves imaginative play and wants to be a chef, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say. This set comes with a chef's hat, apron, roller pin, whisk, spoon, cookie cutters, and a neat cookbook with fun recipes to make. Also has a pot holder and oven mitt. The apron has enough string length that it fits her waist with room to spare if needed. The chef or baker's hat will no doubt fit most kiddos, possibly even being a bit on the big side. The other items are adorably toddler-sized rolling pin, whisk, and cookie cutters. This is such a gorgeous little chef's set for young girls. My 5-year-old daughter loves it. It was just the thing she needed for when she's playing with her toy kitchen. The set comprises of a pink and white apron, a chef's hat, a cookbook, some oven mittens, and some utensils. It really helps with the imaginative play aspect when children are playing at being cooks, and helps really immerse them in the experience. The items are well made, and come nicely packaged. Number 4. PASHOP Unicorn Aprons. These adorable aprons are perfect for your little ones. Made from high-quality, waterproof polyester, they're built to last through any messy activity. It's made of a durable, waterproof polyester that resists tears and pilling. Say goodbye to ruined clothes during playtime. The adjustable straps with plastic buckles ensure a perfect fit for children of all ages. It grows with your child. Whether it's painting, cooking, or a birthday party, it's versatile enough for any occasion. It adds a touch of fun to any activity. These aprons make a wonderful gift for creative kids. They'll love expressing themselves while staying clean. Simply hand or machine wash in cold water and hang to dry. Avoid bleach for lasting color. What we like? This apron is made of waterproof material, protecting clothes from spills. The adjustable straps ensure a great fit for various ages. If you need a practical and cute apron for painting or cooking, this is a great option. What people say. Fits both my 6 and 9-year-olds perfectly. Great for school crafts, baking, whatever to keep their clothes clean. The material feels good quality. And they are adjustable. The adjustable ring works well. The aprons are generously sized, probably true to size. Number 3. Urban Infant Little Helper Apron. It's the perfect accessory for your little ones. Watch them enjoy cooking, crafting, or gardening, all while staying clean and protected. This apron is built to withstand the spills and splatters of childhood creativity. It's also designed to be cute and fun for your kids. It's ideal for budding chefs who love to help in the kitchen. Keep their clothes clean while they explore their culinary talents. It's also great for arts and crafts. Let them express their creativity without worrying about paint or glue on their clothes. Perfect for your little green thumbs. It will keep them clean while they explore the wonders of gardening. It makes a wonderful and practical gift for birthdays or holidays. It's something they can use and enjoy for years to come. What we like? It's a simple, yet durable apron, suitable for various activities. It's easy to clean and maintain. If you are looking for a basic, no-frills apron for everyday use, this is a good choice. What people say. It fits my 4-year-old perfectly, keeps the messes off her clothes, and she says she feels like a chef. A1 product and great quality. It's a pretty thick material and the bunnies are so cute. My kid loves to help out in the kitchen, and we just read the Mama Llama books. This was a perfect buy. Her Thanksgiving outfit stayed clean. She could help out all she wanted to in the preparation. She also loved the fact that there is a pocket in it. Perfect fit, adjustable, pockets, llamas, and it is pink. We purchased this as a gift for our daughter. It's so cute and great that it can be customized with names. It fits well and is adjustable. It is also washing machine friendly, which is great for all the messes we make in the kitchen. Great gift idea for the little one who loves to cook. Number 2. Kids Apron and Chef Hat Set. It's made from a comfortable, breathable, and durable polyester cotton blend. Perfect for keeping your little chef clean and comfy. With an adjustable neck strap and ties, it fits children aged 6 to 14. The chef hat also has an elastic band for a perfect fit. This apron and hat set keeps kids stain-free while they help in the kitchen. The handy front pocket holds small cooking tools. It's great for cooking, baking, painting, or even Halloween costumes. It can even be decorated with paint or markers. Simply machine wash with light colors. No bleach or tumble dry needed, saving you time and effort. What we like. This set includes both an apron and a chef hat, keeping your child clean while cooking. The universal size fits many ages, and the pocket is handy for small items. If you want a complete cooking set with a convenient pocket, this is a great option for you. What people say. The quality was very good material. Keeps their clothes clean while teaching them how to cook. The apron and hat are a cute set. The apron was easy to press with my heat press. Heat transfer vinyl, HTV, adhered well to this fabric. Number 1. SATINIOR Kids Aprons. This package includes 12 kids aprons, perfect for everyday use. There's a variety of colors and sizes to choose from, ensuring there's always a clean one ready. The aprons come in many different colors to keep kids interested in their activities. It also helps children easily identify their own apron. We offer 2 sizes, medium for ages 2 to 6 and large for ages 7 to 13. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit for every child. Each apron has a handy pocket to hold brushes, pencils, or small items. This thoughtful design makes them even more useful for kids. These aprons are great for cooking, painting, arts and crafts, or any messy activity. They're perfect for unleashing your child's creativity. What we like. This pack includes 12 aprons in different colors and sizes, perfect for families or classrooms. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for various ages. If you need multiple aprons for different activities or children, this is the best value. What people say. Easy to adjust, love the color, fits perfect for them. They are decent quality for the price. I was able to use everyday iron-on Cricut vinyl on these as well. The 8-year-olds love them and fit great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.